Welcome to Immediate Insight News. Today, we're retracking a critical failure that has shut down businesses worldwide and shaken the confidence of global tech investors. Microsoft, the $3 trillion tech giant, has been hit by a massive, widespread outage affecting its core cloud services, Azure and Microsoft 365. This isn't a small glitch. The outage crippled critical systems for major corporations, including airlines like Alaska Air, and left millions of enterprise users unable to access essential email, documents, and collaboration tools. Reports from the CNBC and The Independent confirm the immediate impact, but the long-term consequences are far greater. This cloud crisis hit just days before Microsoft AS crucial quarterly earnings report. A catastrophic timing failure that raises serious questions about Azure's reliability and the true cost of dependency on cloud infrastructure. We break down what caused the failure, the companies most affected, and the immediate financial shockwave this sends to Microsoft's stock price. The Seattle Times highlights the sheer scale of the disruption. Azure is the foundation for countless business operations, and when it goes down, the real-world consequences are immediate. The outage impacted core connectivity and services like Microsoft Teams and Outlook. For companies like Alaska Air, as the Seattle Times reports, this can translate directly into delayed flights, operational chaos, and significant revenue loss. While the technical root cause is under investigation, speculated to be anything from an overloaded server cluster to a serious internal routing error, the consequence is a massive, highly visible breach of Microsoft's service guarantee. The key insight here, noted by The Independent, is the growing fragility of a world reliant on a few centralized cloud providers, like Azure and AWS, which has also faced recent issues. When the giants stumble, the global economy feels the tremor. The timing couldn't be worse for CEO Satya Nadella. Microsoft's growth story is powered almost entirely by Azure and the recurring revenue from Microsoft 365 subscriptions. This outage, just days before their quarterly earnings, presents a serious challenge on the investor call. Investors demand stability and predictable growth. An outage of this magnitude undermines the most valuable asset of a cloud platform: trust and reliability. It gives rivals a potent talking point and could lead major corporate clients to reconsider a multi-cloud strategy, reducing their dependency on Azure. The CNBC report underscores the financial tension. The stock price will likely see increased volatility as investors weigh the short-term repair costs against the long-term risk of losing key enterprise customers. The market is not just pricing in the technical fix, it's pricing in the damage to Azure's brand reputation. The Microsoft Azure collapse is a moment of reckoning for the cloud industry. The dependency is absolute, and the cost of failure is measured not just in dollars but in global business disruption. Microsoft will fix the technical issue swiftly, but repairing the shattered trust among its largest clients will take longer. Their performance in the upcoming earnings report will be judged not only on growth numbers, but on the transparency and guarantees they offer to prevent a recurrence of this critical failure. The immediate takeaway for your business? The necessity of redundancy. What does this massive outage mean for your Microsoft stock? Smash the subscribe button to follow our in-depth coverage of Microsoft's upcoming earnings report. Leave a comment below. Should large corporations use a single cloud provider like Azure, or should they always use multiple services? That's the latest Immediate Insight news. Thank you for watching.